Hey friends, who's hungry? It's just not a fish fry without a side of hush puppies. This easy southern hush puppy recipe with sweet corn produces crispy, fluffy, and golden delicious results. In a large mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of self-rising white cornmeal, 1 tablespoon of white granulated sugar, half a cup of finely diced white onion, 2 sliced green onions, half a cup of whole kernel sweet corn, and 1 large lightly beaten egg. Stir everything together until the ingredients are evenly mixed. Then gradually stir in about 3/4 of a cup of milk. You may not use all the milk, you just want to add enough to wet the ingredients. Heat a few inches of oil in a large skillet until it reaches 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Reduce the heat to medium, then carefully spoon heaping tablespoonfuls of the batter into the hot oil. Fry just a few hush puppies at a time and don't overcrowd the pan. Fry the hush puppies for 2 to 3 minutes until they are puffed and golden brown. Then flip and fry for 1 minute more. Strain the hush puppies from the oil and drain on paper towels for a few minutes. Then serve warm with a side of comeback sauce for dipping. Looking for more recipes? Be sure to follow me.